you need a good packing list for camping, save this video for later. This is everything I'm bringing. 6-person mech tent. If we find a spot that we go to and the 6-person tent looks like it's not gonna fit, we also have the 2-person North Face tent. There's lots of room to really kind of bring whatever we want. We got this new huge 120-liter Rab bag. It's a backpack and a duffel. First trip we're using it on, and holy shit, we got so much stuff in here. Sleeping bag. We have my boyfriend's sleeping bag. So we have the big air mattress with sheets, and we also have the little air mattresses if we decide to use the little tent. Blow up travel pillows. We'll also bring big pillows as well. Water bag, platypus water bag. We have some soap, kit repair. We have the hammock. For at camp, I have 3 tarps for under the tent and if you need it for over the tent. Camp stove, pour over coffee maker, 4 propanes, mini propanes for the jet boil as well, cast iron teapot for the fire, even though we have a fire ban right now, so I probably won't be using this. Scrubber for dishes, baby wipes, 2 packs, cutlery and travel cups, more cutlery and tins. These are nice to just throw food in sometimes or have a cover on, or when there is fires, throw it on the fire. 2 of these kokanee cups. I'm not sure where the other one is, but 2 cups. Body wash, egg carton, sunscreen, the jet boil, bug spray, bug head nets, seasoning and a measuring cup, some binoculars, weenie, cooking stick, needs to be cleaned. Never know when you need a machete, paper towel, some safe multi-use soap. This is a little portable cooking stove that you can use. It's just like a little multi-purpose stove. Shooting practice or in a pinch fire starter. Word search. Bag full of bags, Ziploc bags, bear bags, plastic bags. Also some washcloths in here. Garbage bags. For some of the cooking stuff. More washcloths. Sharp knife just wrapped up. Spatula, 2 spatulas. Cheese grater. Cutting board ×2. Small pot, tongs, multiple paring knives, frying pan. Also usually bring a cast iron, but I don't think I'm gonna bring it for this trip. So some mosquito coils in here. An extra air pump for the air mattress. We have an electric one with batteries, but just in case the batteries die. The second kokanee cup, some small paper plate. The chainsaw, this is our truck chainsaw. It's a perfect size. A pair of leather work gloves, a bag of extra batteries, a bunch of napkins, little broom for the tent, whimsical solar lights, of course, multiple kinds of rope. And here is my dog's pop-up bed. Some tanning oil, I guess. Have this rake, because I think one of the spots we're thinking of going, we know there's a lot of leaves that have fallen, so we're probably gonna have to clear an area. The shovel, and 2 camp chairs. This one, and the pop-out classic that comes with the table. So this is everything I'm bringing with me, and I will put here everything else that is inside that I'm still bringing. Outside, get camping, have a great time.